How to make cover picture private on Facebook. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily make your cover picture private on your Facebook. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open your Facebook app and then tap on here. Then tap on your profile. And now I will show you two ways to make your cover picture private. So to make the cover picture private through first way, tap on your cover picture and then tap on upload photo. Now select the cover picture and here in the bottom you will see share your update to newsfeed. So you have to uncheck this and then tap on save in the top right corner. Now your cover picture will be not shared with your friends on your post feed. Now to make cover picture private through second way, tap on your cover picture and here tap on view profile cover and slide to the old picture and here tap on these three dots in the top right and then here you will see edit privacy. Tap on it and change the privacy to only me, and that's how you can make your cover picture private to second way. So this is how you can make your cover picture private on your Facebook. Thanks for watching.